Hello everyone. We have already discussed so many things of 12th standard maths matrices chapter. Now in last lecture we have discussed all the multiplication types with square matrix rectangular. Now we will start exercise 3.2. Before I start 3.2, I know you have completed your exercise 3.1. If not, then complete it as soon as possible, because now in 3.2 so many questions you have to solve. So now we start with, first I explain you one sum in which matrix A is given and you have to prove one equation. So your matrix is given and you have to find a cube minus 23a minus 40i. You have to find this. To find a cube, first what we have to do? A square first. A square means we have to write a 2 times and then multiplication of it. So let's write 2 times. And we have make a lot of practice of this multiplication. So now we will solve it directly. First row with first column. So what is it? 1 1s are 1 plus 3 2s are 6 plus 4 3s are 12. So first element complete. Now first row, second column. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are, here minus sign we have it. So minus 4 and 3 2s are 6. Same way third, 3 1s are 3 plus 2 1s are 2 plus 3 1s are 3. So that way we have completed our first row. Now same procedure with second row and then third. So let's start with second. 3 1s are 3, then 3 2s are minus 6 and 4 1s are 4. Same way with second, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, minus minus plus 4 and 2 1s are 2. Now with last column, 3 3s are 9, minus 2 and 1 will be minus 2 and last 1 1s are 1. Now with last row, 4 1s are 4, 3 2s are 6 and 4 1s are 4. Same way 4 2s are 8, second 2 2s are minus 4 and 2 1s are 2. Similar way last row, last column. So 4 3s are 12, 2 1s are 2 and 1 1s are 1. This calculation is quite longer, so better once you have written, once you check it, so it will be more clear to you. Let's check it. 1 1s are 1, 3 2s are 6 and 4 3s are 12. Similar way 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are with minus sign minus 4 and 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3, 2 1s are 2, again 3 1s are 3. Let's start with second row. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 and 4 1s are 4. 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, minus minus plus and 2 1s are 2. Same way 3 3s are 9, then 2 1s are 2 and 1 1s are 1. And last row, 4 1s are 4, 3 2s are 6 and 4 1s are 4. Similar way 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4 with minus sign minus 4 and 2 1s are 2. And last 4 3s are 12, 2 1s are 2 and 1 1s are 1. So let's solve it. What is it? 12 and 6 18 and 1 19. 4 will be subtracted. So 2 plus 2 will be 4. 3 and 3 6, 7 8. Similar way 7 minus 6 will be 1. 10 and 2 will be 12. 9 minus 2 7 and 1 8. 10 and 4 14. 8 minus 4 is 4 plus 2 will be 6. 12 and 2 14 and 1 15. Now a cube. What to do? A cube means a square into a. So I have written 19 4 8, 1 12 8, 14 6 15 into. Now a will be written again 1 2 3, 3 minus 2 1 and 4 2 1. Okay, now simple again multiplication of it. So how can we multiply? 19 ones are 19 plus 4 3s are 12 plus 8 4s are 32. Same way second row, 19 2s are 38, 4 2s are 8 and 8 2s are 16. With last column, 19 3s are. What is 19 3s are? You already know. Now 4 1s are 4 and 8 1s are 8. Now check it once, so it will be more clear to you. Check it. 19 into 1 19, 4 3s are 12 and 8 4s are 32. 19 2s are 38, 4 2s are minus 8, 8 2s are 16. 19 3s are 57, 4 1s are 4 and 8 1s are 8. Same way second row. Check 1 1s are 1 plus 12 3s are 36, 8 4s are 32. Same way 2 1s are 2 minus 12 2s are 24 and 8 2s are 16. Now last 3 1s are 3 plus 12 1s are 12 and 8 1s are 8. Same thing. Let's follow with third row. 14 1s are 14 plus 6 3s are 18 plus 15 4s are 60. Same way second, 14 2s are 28, 6 2s are 12 and 15 2s are 30. Now second, last one, 14 3s are 42, 6 1s are 6 and 15 1s are 15. Now addition subtraction you know very well. Now what to do? After getting a cube, you have to multiply the same matrix A with 23. So minus 23, either you can write 23A. So each and every term must be multiplied with 23. So how can you write 23? 2s are 46. Now 23 3s are. So 69. Similar way 3s are 69. This is 46 and this is 23. 23 4s are. Now 23 4s are 92. Then 23 2s are and last is 23. Now what to add? This number and last 40i. What is your 40i? Identity matrix with 40. 40 0 0 0 40 0 and 0 0 40. Okay, now I have written all the terms. I have to add, subtract. Then what this answer? Minus this minus. It should be 0. That will be your, so it is already solved sum in your textbook. So addition subtraction I think you can do very well. Now we can start exercise 3.2. And in first two questions in exercise 3.2, simple addition, subtraction, multiplication with scalar and that basic thing is given. So let's discuss it once and then we will move on multiplication. You have in first question only, you have given 3 matrix, exercise 3.2. Now we have started first matrix A 2 4 3 2, matrix B will be 1 3 minus 2 5 and matrix C will be minus 2 5 then 3 and 4. Now first is given A plus B. Now I think it will be more easier. 2 and 1 3, 4 and 3 7, 3 minus 2 will be 1 and this will be 7. This is your first answer. Now second is A minus B. For minus what to do? Simple subtraction. So 2 minus 1 will be 1, 4 minus 3 again 1. Similarly 3 minus minus 2. So minus minus plus will be 5 and 2 minus 5 will be minus 3. Third is 3A minus C. So what to do? 3 into A. 2 4 3 2 minus C and minus 2 5 3 and 4. What is it? First let's multiply 3 inside the matrix. So 3 2s are 6, 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6 minus -2 5 3 4 keep as it is. Now let's add it. 6 minus plus, so 6 plus 2 will be 8, 12 minus 5 will be 7, then 9 minus 3 will be 6 and 6 minus 4 will be 2. So this way our first A plus B is your first question, this is your second question, this is your third question. Now after these three questions, next question, fourth one. You have to find in fourth one A into B. So let's multiply A with B. 2 4 3 2 and your B will be 1 3 minus 2 5. Let's start with multiplication. 2 1s are 2 and 4 2s are 8, minus sign here, so we have to write minus. 3 2s are 6 and 4 5s are 20. Similar way, 3 1s are 3 and 2 2s are 4 with minus sign, 3 3s are 9 and 5 2s are 10. So what you will get? First simplification, 2 minus 8 will be minus 6, 6 plus 20 will be 26, 3 minus 4. So minus 1 and 10 plus 9 will be 19. So this is your A. And fifth question, here we have find AB. Now you have to find BA. What is the meaning of it? Only the matrices will be changed, its order. Otherwise we have to multiply, the method is same. Let's multiply. 2 1s are 2 plus 3 3s are 9. Similar way, 4 1s are 4 plus 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are minus sign means minus 4 and 5 3s are 15. 4 2s are minus 8 and 5 2s are 10. Let's simplify it. Its answer is 11, 10, 11 and 2. Minus 4 plus 15 is 11 and a minus 8 plus 10 will be 2. So this is your first question in which 4 question is asked. That is your first is A plus B, second is A minus B, third is 3A minus C and fourth one is matrix AB and fifth question is matrix BA. So now we start second question. Okay, in second question also, first 2-3 question is simple addition subtraction given. So I think it will be easier for you to solve, but which is the new thing only I explain you. That is in your first one, A square plus B square, A square plus C square, 2AB, 2BC, minus 2AC and a minus 2AB. Now this addition is given, so you already know it. This is when you add it, it is your formula only. What is it? A square plus B square plus 2AB. Similarly, sorry, I have written only one, B square plus C square and A square plus B square. Okay. So now B square plus C square plus 2BC. Similarly, A square plus C square minus 2AC and A square plus B square minus 2AB. Okay, now you tell me, what is it? A square plus 2AB plus B square. It is your formula only of A plus B whole square. Similarly, B square plus 2BC plus C square. It's again your formula for B plus C whole square. Similarly, A square minus 2AC plus C square. It is again formula, and this also A square minus 2AB plus B square means A minus B whole square. So this is the easiest thing, but when it is given in addition form, you must have to write its formula. Okay, now next question. Again same with addition only, but trigonometric term is given. That will be cos square x sin square x cos square x plus sin square x cos square x and sin square x. Now when you add it, first term will be added with first, means cos square x plus sin square x. Similarly, second term will be sin square x plus cos square x. Third term will be sin square x plus cos square x, and fourth will be cos square x plus sin square x. Now let's check it. We already familiar with this identity that cos square plus sin square is 1. Similarly, sin square plus cos square also 1, sin square plus cos square and cos square plus sin square. So what you get? We are using identity of trigonometry, that is sin square plus cos square is 1. You found one thing, we are using trigonometry also, we are using numbers also, we are using square matrix also, we are using rectangle also. So all these things together will be in your JEE also. Okay, so after this, now one easy question we will take with unknown numbers. Let's take with AB. So your first is AB minus BA, and second matrix is given A minus B, BA. Now simple multiplication is given. So let's multiply with unknown number. A into A plus B into B, first with first, second with second. Similarly, A into minus B plus B into A. Similarly, minus B into A plus A into B, and last minus B into minus B will be plus only, and last A into A. Now let's simplify it. This will be A square plus B square. This is your minus AB. This is your plus AB. Again same way, minus AB. This is plus AB. This is plus B square and this is plus A square. Plus or minus cancel. So what you get? A square plus B square 0. 0 A square plus B square. You can write it in two ways. This one again your answer. If you take A square plus B square common from it, what is the remaining matrix? 1 0 0 1. This is the second answer, and third answer also you can write that with I2. I2 means what? Identity matrix with 2 by 2. So this is your exercise question only. Now we will take next question, question number 4 of the same exercise. Here you have given matrix 1 2 3. Column matrix is given and another is row matrix is given. Okay, now you have to multiply column matrix with row. What is our general concept? Here this matrix is 3 by 1. This matrix is 1 by 3. When you multiply these two matrix, what you have to remember? 3 by 1 and 1 by 3. So first and last. First matrix row and last matrix column will be your answer. So let's multiply it. First row, first column. So 2 ones are 2. Now addition is not there because only single element is there. Now 1 3s are 3 and last 1 4s are 4. Similarly second, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. Now last third, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. Now let's see. By 3 by 1 and 1 by 3, when you multiply it, you are getting which matrix? 3 by 3. Now let's reverse it. Means first I write row matrix and then I write column matrix. Now can we multiply? Check it. First row, first column. So first row will be multiplied with first column. What is the meaning of it? 1 by 3 and 3 by 1. So answer will be 1 by 1, matlab single answer. Okay, let's do it. 2 ones are 2 plus 3 2s are 6 and 4 3s are 12. What is it? 12 and 5. Sorry, 12 and 8 will be 20. So only single answer you are getting, that is 20. So when you multiply 3 by 1, 1 by 3 matrix, we get 3 by 3. But when we multiply 1 by 3 and 3 by 1, we are getting only 1 by 1 matrix, and its answer is 20. Now let's see another question in which one square matrix is given and another is rectangular matrix. First we have to check, can we multiply it or not, and if we can multiply, then we have to go further for the method. So let's see first matrix 2 by 2 and second matrix 2 by 3. Now when you multiply first row, first column, first row, second, first row, third, easy way we can multiply. So let's see, and answer you will get 2 by 3. Chalo, 1 ones are 1 and 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2 and 3 twos are 6, and 3 ones are 3 and 2. Same way, 2 ones are 2, 3 twos are 6, 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9, 3 twos are 6 and 3 ones are 3. So what you get? Minus 3, minus 4, 1, 8, 13 and 9. This is your one square matrix and one rectangular matrix, and we are getting this answer. Same way, if this way matrices are given, check it, 2 1, 3 2, minus 1 1, and another matrix is 1 0 1, minus 2 1. Now check, 2 elements, so easily we can multiply it. And what is it? 2 ones are 2, minus 1 will be 1, 0 plus 2 will be 2. Same way, 2 ones are 2 plus 1 will be 3. Now 3 ones are 3, minus 2 means 1, 0 into 3 0, 2 twos are 4, 3 ones are 3 plus 2, 3 and 2 will be 5, minus 1 will be minus 2, 0 plus 2 will be 2, minus 1 plus 1 will be 0. So this way, when you multiply rectangular matrix, square and rectangular, rectangular with rectangular, you have to simple check that in first row how many elements, that much must be there in column, and easily you can multiply it. Okay. Now the same exercise we will continue in our next class. So for today, this much enough. Thank you.